At this point, people often mix up there is and it is. Let me break it down for you. There is means exists. We use it when we talk about non-specific things or people. There is a phone on the table. There is a cup on the floor. There are 3 people in this room. We use it is to describe adjectives of time, weather, and so on. It is cold at night. It is always hot in this room. It is to describe adjectives. There is to describe objects. Now let's get down to practice. Morning, morning. In the morning, in the morning. Afternoon, afternoon. In the afternoon, in the afternoon. Evening, evening. In the evening, in the evening. Night, night. At night, at night. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Breakfast, breakfast. Lunch, lunch. Dinner, dinner. At 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock. Morning, morning. In the morning, in the morning. Afternoon, afternoon. In the afternoon, in the afternoon. Evening, evening. In the evening, in the evening. Night, night. At night, at night. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Breakfast, breakfast. Lunch, lunch. Dinner, dinner. At 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock. Is it morning now? No, it is not morning now. Is it afternoon now? No, it is not afternoon now. Is it evening now? Yes, it is evening now. Is your breakfast in the morning? Yes, my breakfast is in the morning. Is your breakfast in the evening? No, my breakfast is not in the evening. Is your breakfast at night? No, my breakfast is not at night. Is your breakfast in the afternoon? No, my breakfast is not in the afternoon. When is your breakfast? My breakfast is in the morning. Is your breakfast at 5 a.m.? No, my breakfast is not at 5 a.m. Is your breakfast at 7 p.m.? No, my breakfast is not at 7 p.m. What time is your breakfast? My breakfast is at 7 a.m. Is your lunch at night? No, my lunch is not at night. Is your lunch in the morning? No, my lunch is not in the morning. Is your lunch in the afternoon? Yes, my lunch is in the afternoon. When is your lunch? My lunch is in the afternoon. What time is your lunch? My lunch is at 2 p.m. Is your lunch at 2 a.m.? No, my lunch is not at 2 a.m. My lunch is at 2 p.m.